Imagine the force of a sneeze. Ever tried to suppress it? Well, brace yourselves for a cautionary tale. A man recently tore his windpipe by holding back a sneeze. Yes, you heard that right. The power behind a sneeze is not to be underestimated. It's a high-speed release of air, traveling up to 100 miles per hour. When you try to hold it back, this force can cause internal injuries. In this man's case, it caused a rupture in his throat, leading to painful swallowing and a change in voice. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. It's nature's way of keeping you healthy and, apparently, injury-free. Remember, a sneeze suppressed might just leave you breathless. Quite literally. Stay safe, folks.